is your man Justin Kicks hitting y'all with a new episode today, man. Before we get into it though, I do want to remind you all to like, share, comment, most importantly, subscribe. And after you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new episodes, and make sure you don't miss out on any of the new giveaways. Next big giveaway is coming to 1,500 subscribers, so make sure you stay locked in. To today's episode, as you can see from the title, got a package in today. The package is from Crown Minded. It is a hat store out in California, East Los Angeles, and came across them and checked out their website. On the website, I'll put the information up on the screen for them and for the deal that I picked up. They had mystery fitted hats, whatever size you needed. It's a mystery hat for $9.99 a hat. I could not pass that up. So what I'm going to do today, the package just came in. I bought 10 hats. So you can do the math on that. $10 a hat, 10 hats, $100. So I got 10 hats in here. I'm about to open up the box, and we're going to look at these mystery caps one by one, see if I got anything I liked. Like I said, either way, for a fitted hat for $9 or $9.99, I couldn't pass up the deal, man. So again, I'm put their information up on the screen. You can go check them out, follow them on Instagram, and it's got the link to the website on their Instagram, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. Now, I'll let you know, I'll wear beanies, I'll wear snapbacks, I'll wear fitted. I know some people will only wear fitted. I like both. It just depends on the hat itself, whether I'll wear it or not. It's a lot of custom hats that come out. And if I just like how the hat looks, I really don't mind if it's fitted or a snapback. But like I said, to get a fitted hat for $9.99, I'm hoping it's good. We're going to see. But I didn't want to pass up a fitted hat for $9.99. So let's go ahead. I'm opening the box now, and we'll see exactly what we got. All right, so we got the box open. 10 mystery hats, all fitted, $9.99 a piece. Let's jump into it. And when it's over and done, let me know what your favorite hat was in the comments below. So the first hat I'm pulling out here is the all-black Washington Nationals fitted. New era. You got the all-black logo on the front. Let's see here. On the back, you got the all-blacked out Major League Baseball logo. Then you got the all-black New Era logo. The bill is black on top and black on the bottom with the black headband on the inside. All blacked out Washington Nationals. Kind of happy with the first one out of the box. Can't go wrong with the all-black cap. As I said before, I don't know what I'm pulling out. All mystery, $9.99 a piece. Second hat out of the box. Can't go wrong with the Yankees fitted. You got the white bill on the front, white Yankees logo, navy up top, white and navy logo on the back. New era, say here, new era authentic collectors info on the inside, $59.50. New York Yankees. You know I can't be mad at the New York Yankees again. $9.99 fitted. Next hat out of the box. Looks like the Florida Marlins. Got the orange bill on it. Got the logo on the front. Black up top. Orange and black Major League logo in the back. Can't go wrong with this one either. Another Major League Baseball team. $9.99. Florida Marlins. And the thing is, I collect sneakers, so I got sneakers with all colors, so these hats go with everything. All right, so this next one looks like we got the Mexican national flag and the New Era logo. Got the Mexican national flag on the side. On the back, says fly your own flag. So obviously this is a nod to the Mexican flag. New Era on the side. I like that. Gray up top. Red on the bill. New Era Mexican flag logo hat. All right, so what is that? 4 hats in so far. Let's go on to number 5. Number 5, another Washington Nationals in the team colors. Got the red bill, white on the front panels, the red Washington logo on the front, blue on the rest of the hat. Major League Baseball logo on the back again. $59.50 New Era Quality hats, man. Quality hats, all $9.99. It's something about when it's a mystery, you don't know what you're gonna get, so you can't be mad at it because you didn't pick them. So you just excited to see what you get. It's like opening a Christmas present. You don't know what you're getting. All right, so the next one, hey, they must know. Well, they know the closest NFL team to me. We got the Cincinnati Bengals. Hopefully Joe Burrow come back healthy. Black Bill, all orange up top with the Bengals B logo on the front. Bengals on the back. Black New Era logo on the side. Bill all black. I like that. I mean, I've got other Bengals hats. The orange and black look good to me. I got a few orange and black shoes that always go good with the Bengals apparel. All right, so I think this is number 7. Number 7, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's number 7. Got the Phillies fitted. Blue Bill on top. Blue Bill, red up top. Blue P symbol on the front. Or logo on the front. With the Major League Baseball symbol on the back. New Era authentic official on-field cap. Can't go wrong with that one. Got them red, white, and blue colorway on there. I like that one. Oh, all right, right off the top, I'm liking the front of this. Toronto Blue Jays cap with the red leaf on the front. All blue upper on this. Blue bill as well. You got the Blue Jays logo on the back right above the Major League Baseball logo. So I like how that red leaf pops off the front of that blue right there. That's a real good looking hat. I haven't seen that one before. I like that one. Okay. Got another, looks like a national hat. Looks like the Brazil colorways. Brazil flag inside the New Era logo. Got the Brazilian flag on the side. Just like with the Mexican one, it says fly your own flag on the back. You got the green bill, gray upper. Again, real nice quality hat, man. Fitted hats for $9.99. I ain't gonna be mad at any of them. I was trying to think. I got them Oregon 5s that'll look real good with these. Them Oregon 5s will look real good with the green and yellow. That'll be a nice little combination there. And then looks like, okay, so that was number 9. Last but not least, got one more to go. Another NFL team, another orange NFL team. You got them Denver Broncos, man. Got that big, huge logo on the front with the outline of it even bigger behind it. You got the orange bill on that, all orange upper. Broncos right there, those Shannon Sharps, what I think of when I look at that. NFL logo on the back. White New Era on the side. You got blue on the bottom of the bill, man. So there you go. All 10 Broncos, Brazil, Toronto, Phillies, Bengals. Got the white Nationals with the red bill on it. We got the Mexican flag hat, red bill. Got that Florida Marlins hat. Got that Yankee fitted. And then last but not least, we got that Washington Nationals in the all black. Again, all these came from Crown Minded. You can go check them out again on their Instagram or their webpage. Like I said, they had the mystery. They had one for the snapback too. I forget what the price was on it, but for the fitted, it was $9.99. I was like, man, I wanted some new hats. And I'll kind of randomly, if I see hats on sale, I'll pick them up. So when I seen this for $9.99, I was like, what better way than to get some new hats? Let me do a little video with kind of a little unboxing mystery box. Let me know what your favorite hat was. Let me know if you're a hat collector. Let me know if you are one of those people that can only wear fitteds, or if you don't mind to wear the snapback. Either way, just give me some info on the video. Let me know what your favorite was, man. Again, man, this is Justin Kicks. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Make sure you do like, subscribe, comment, share. After you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the new videos, man. I'm going to get out here and holler at you next time, man. Peace.